Are you looking for some expert financial advice? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to unlock powerful financial insights using Chat GPT. So, let's get started. Imagine you have a burning question about investing in the stock market. Instead of spending hours researching, you can simply type your question into the chat and get real-time expert advice. It's like having a financial advisor at your fingertips. Here's how it works. You start by asking your question. Let's say, what are the best stocks to invest in right now? Then, the Chat GPT system analyzes your question and provides an insightful answer. You might get a response like, based on the current market trends, companies in the technology sector like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft show great potential for growth. But it doesn't stop there. You can have a conversation with Chat GPT to dive deeper. Ask follow-up questions like, what should be my investment strategy for these stocks? Chat GPT will understand the context and provide you with a comprehensive response. For instance, a balanced approach, combining growth stocks with stable dividend-paying stocks, could help you minimize risk while maximizing long-term returns. One amazing aspect of Chat GPT is its ability to learn and improve. The more users interact with it, the smarter it becomes. So, as time goes on, the advice it provides will only get better. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Chat GPT can help. It's like having a financial expert in your back pocket, ready to assist you whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. See you next time.